Well, isn't it, Mr. Purse? How dare you interfere with my business? Any last words before I kill you in front of your son and before I put a gun bullet straight up your skull, Mr. Purse?
Son, tell your mother I love her. You gotta get out of here. You gotta run, son. Look, this man is trying to kill me, and I don't want anything happening to you, so how about you get out of here? Son, run!
You killed him. Sure I did. I'll be back for you, too.
Did your boss Tobias Whale send you here? Yeah, that's what I thought actually. I was actually thinking that Tobias Whale sent you all here to come and take me down. How about I ask you one more question about where Tobias Whales is? If you're not gonna tell me, I'm gonna take all three of you down instead. Okay, attacking me with your guns it is indeed.
Kill him!
Now, tell me where he is. Where is Tobias? I'm not telling you anything, brother. You think I'm gonna tell you where Tobias Whales is? He's gonna fix this country. No, he's not. He's an African-American crime lord. Tobias Whales murdered my father in cold blood, and I'm not gonna let that happen to anyone else again. Now, tell me one more last time. Where is Tobias? He's in his office. What office? On the top of the building. I swear that's all I know. Please don't kill me. I won't. But there's one thing that I will make sure that will happen to you and the two other guys. You and the other guys are going to be locked up back behind bars in prison for a life sentence in prison for working for Tobias Whales.
Well, isn't it the hero of Freeland himself, Black Lightning? I wonder when you would show your face again here in my office.
I've come here to avenge my father. You murdered my father when I was a child. You killed him right in front of me in cold blood, you murderer. You have murdered, killed, and tortured many people. I'm gonna make sure that doesn't happen to nobody else again. So this is my time to get my justice for my father, Tobias Whales.
Well, that's a long speech. How about I just kill you myself? Any last words before I end you, Black Lightning?
Yes, I do. I'm not letting you hurt nobody else again. I finally got you. It's all over now, Tobias Whales. You're gonna be locked up back behind bars in prison for a very long time. You're going away forever.
You're gonna pay for this, Black Lightning. You always ruin everything. When I get my hands on you next time, I'm gonna kill you for real.
Huh, no way that's gonna happen when you're in prison.